Hello class 3. Let's continue the previous chapter Windows. I told you to learn the features of Windows 7 in the previous class. Hope you all have learned. So today we will continue the next portion of this chapter, Windows 7 screen and its components. Let's have a look. When we switch on a computer, Windows starts automatically. The first screen that appears with labeled icons on it is called desktop. Icons. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. Now next is the taskbar. Taskbar is a long horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. It has the start button on the extreme left side, and the middle section of the bar shows buttons with a label for each open application and allows us to quickly switch between them. This area is called Quick Launch Toolbar. When an application is active, its button is highlighted in a lighter shade. The right side of the taskbar is known as Notification Area, which includes a clock and a group of icons that provide status and notifications about updates, network connectivity, incoming emails, battery, volume, etc. Now, the last is the Show Desktop button, which is present on the extreme right side of the taskbar. Click on this button to minimize all the open windows and view the desktop. Now, come to the Start button. What is the use of Start button? The Start button menu gives you quick access to documents, Windows, applications, Windows Help, Support menu, and much more. Start menu can also be opened by pressing the Windows key on the keyboard. Now, next is how to select or deselect the icons. To select an icon, simply click on it. It will be highlighted with a light blue color. Now deselecting an icon. To deselect an icon, click away from it. The icon will now be displayed in its original form. Now how to select the adjacent and non-adjacent items. Adjacent items. You have to hold down the Shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Then you release the Shift key. All the adjacent items are selected. Now how to select the non-adjacent items? For this you have to hold down the Control key. Click on each of the items to be selected one by one. This way you can select the non-adjacent items. Let's see how to arrange the desktop icons. For this, we have to click the right button of the mouse on the blank area of desktop. You will find the list of options. There you have to select View option, and in View option you will get many sub options: large icons, medium icons, small icons, auto arrange icons. So one by one you can click on that options and you see or observe the changes, how the icons becomes large and medium and small. Now sorting the icons. Sorting the desktop icons means arranging them in a proper sequence. Right click on the blank area of the desktop. A shortcut menu appears. Point to the Sort By option and click on the Name sub option. The icons will be arranged in an alphabetical order. Next, how to open any program. Click on the icon which you want to select and press the Enter key. The application window will open, or double click the left mouse button on the icon to open it. Now let's see the three very interesting features of Windows 7. How to change the desktop background. The desktop background, the picture that you see on the desktop, is called the desktop background or the wallpaper. We can change the appearance of the desktop or wallpaper according to our choice. How? Let's see the steps. Right click anywhere on the desktop. You will find the list of options. Select the Personalize option. The personalization dialog box will appear. Click on the desktop background. a new window with multiple images will appear. Now you have to select any background from the displayed list. After selecting the background, click on the Save Changes button and close the dialog box. Next is changing the screensaver. What is a screensaver? The screensaver is an image which pops up on the computer screen whenever a computer is left idle for a certain period of time. By pressing any key or moving the mouse, you can again get back to the normal screen. Let's see the steps to change the screensaver. Right-click on the blank area of the desktop. Click on the Personalize option again from the shortcut menu. The personalization dialog box will appear. Click on the screensaver option. The screensaver setting dialog box will appear. Click on the drop down arrow in screensaver section and select the screensaver of your choice. To watch the preview on full screen, click on the preview button. Wait for a few seconds and you will get the preview of the selected screensaver on the full screen. Now change the time in wait box as per your need. Use the up arrow to increase and the down arrow to decrease the time. Click on OK. Desktop gadgets. Windows contains mini programs called gadgets which offer information at a glance and provide easy access to the frequently used tools. Windows 7 contains gadgets like calendar, clock, CPU meter, currency, weather, feed headlines, slideshow, picture puzzle, and window media center, etc. Adding the gadgets on desktop. The steps are: right-click on the blank area of the desktop and select the gadgets option. The gadgets window will open. Double-click on the gadgets that you want to place on the desktop. The gadgets get placed on the right side of the desktop. If you want to remove the gadgets from the desktop, you have to bring the mouse pointer near the gadget and there you will get few buttons and you have to select the close button to remove the gadget from the desktop. That's all in this chapter. So children, you will read the chapter thoroughly and you will learn the fact files which are given on the right side of the pages. They all are very important for the exams, and children, you will do all the assignments in your classwork copy. It will be easier for you and for me also to correct all the assignments when school reopens. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.